Hey guys, what is up? So I've been using Divi for a while, and this is a pretty cool theme. If you actually know your way around code, everything is pretty much achievable in Divi. So today, what are we going to do is we are going to do a pretty cool effect. So this is a surreal background of Asgard right here on our web page, and what we are going to do with this is this. Yes, it bleeds into the nav bar, the background, you see. So this gives that oomph to your website. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure that your fixed navigation bar option is disabled. It is actually enabled by default in WordPress, I mean Divi, but then again you want to disable it and save changes. The next thing you are going to do is go to pages, add a new page. We'll just you name it bleed. Seems fine. We're going to publish it. Use the Divi builder, use the visual builder. So one thing to note is at the top section of the page, we do not want to mess with that. What we want to do instead is go to advanced. We are going to go to custom CSS and add a small code to make the background of the section transparent. So we're going to add a background color transparent. Yeah, seems fine. Okay, we're gonna restart changes. We'll just add some random content. Let's do a full width slider. um, I think I have some. Oh no, we'll go to the sample page first. We'll copy the content over there. This is the sample content Divi offers. We'll just copy it, and we are going back to the bleed page. We are going to paste it over here. Yep, and we are going to add a background color. Yes, this seems fine. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and save it. Okay, so the next thing to notice is the page ID of this page. So you can see that it is 173 in my case, but every day it varies user to user. You might have a different page ID. The other person who's viewing this video might have a different page ID. Now that we have our page ID, we want to go to theme options, to custom CSS. We'll add a code body.page -id hyphen what was my page number again? What was my page number? 173. 173. We'll open our braces. We'll add a background image. So for the background, what we want to do is we want to go to media library. It is open on one of my tabs. I want to select this image, so we will copy the address of the image URL, and we'll go back to theme options to CSS, and we'll paste it here. We don't want any repeat on the background, so we are going to have background repeat, and we'll I forgot the hyphen. Background repeat, we will set it to no repeat. Yeah, and we'll add an important. And we also want the kind of a parallax effect to it, and the background to stay fixed. So we'll add a background attachment, and it will be fixed as well. I don't know why I said that as well. Oh, there's an exclamation over there instead of a semicolon. Silly mistake. Okay, we want to save changes now. We want to go back to the bleed. We'll save it again, and after saving this, we'll exit the visual builder. And there you can see that the page now has a background of the Asgard image. So the background, as you could have noticed, did not I mean the navbar background was still white, so we are going to add a main header over here, and we'll do a background color to transparent, and yeah, we'll add an important. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we'll save the changes now. We'll go back to the bleed, and voila, there you have it. The background now bleeds into the navbar, which is now transparent. Now we want to enable the visual builder, and you see the top section. The more you drag it downwards, dragging means, you increase the padding. The more you drag it downwards, the bigger the image will be. Yes, I think it is enough. We're gonna ahead and save it. Yeah, okay, we'll now exit the visual builder, and there you have it. And one thing I'd like to bring to your notice is there is this very thin line below the nav bar. If you are using a lighter colored image as a background, then this line becomes a nuisance, kind of a nuisance. So to fix this, we're going to theme options again. Under the main header, we'll add another line of code called box shadow. We will set it to none, and we'll add an important. Yeah, we'll save the changes, and we'll reload this. So voila, there you have it. And I have added all the codes that I've used in the description of the video. You can copy and paste it into your website, although you might have to modify it a little to fit like the page ID mainly, and a little bit of tweaking here and there, but it's not going to be much of a problem. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you soon with another video.